Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping thoroughly. Clean each nail with 70% alcohol to remove oils so chrome sticks. Once done, shape and gently buff to a slightly matte surface. This gives mechanical grip. Apply a thin, sticky-free base coat and cure for 30 to 60 seconds under a 48W LED. Make sure layers are thin to avoid pooling. Thin layers cure evenly and prevent lifting. This first actionable step sets adhesion and determines how reflective the chrome will lay down later. You now build the color base. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of black or deep gel polish and cure fully. Dark bases maximize chrome reflectivity. Once cured, apply a no-wipe top coat and cure per product instructions, but keep it slightly tacky if required by your chrome brand. Using a soft eyeshadow brush or silicone applicator, rub chrome powder into the tacky layer in small circular motions. This compacts pigment and creates a mirror finish. Make sure to finish nails one at a time to maintain consistent adhesion. You finish by sealing. Apply a generous glossy gel top coat to lock the chrome and cure for 60 seconds to ensure durability. If you notice dull spots, gently reapply chrome powder to the area and immediately top coat and cure. This restores reflectivity. Make sure to cap free edges to prevent chipping. If lifting or bubbling occurs, remove the layer, re-prep the nail, and repeat. Do not use acetone to try to fix chrome on the nail. Acetone will dull or remove the effect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.